Craving for something spicy? I'll be showing you how to make the perfect party peppered fish. This fish recipe is spicy and packed with flavor, perfect for your next celebration or weekend feast. So stay tuned. So to make this peppered fish recipe, you will need all the following ingredients. For this party peppered fish recipe, I'll be making use of croaker fish. You can use any fish of your choice. I'll start by cleaning the fish. After cutting the fish, I'll be washing the fish with lemon and salt. I'll be squeezing some lemon juice, then I'll use it to wash the fish. So after washing the fish, set aside and allow to rest. I'm going to be mixing my spices. In a bowl, I'm going to be mixing the ingredients. I'll add salt, thyme. I'm also going to be adding my mixed spices, which comprises of ginger, garlic, coriander, rosemary, and so many other spices. Feel free to use any spice of your choice. I'll be applying the spices on the fish. I'll make sure that it touches every part of the fish and leave it to marinate. Then cover and allow to marinate. While the fish is marinating, I'm going to be making my pepper sauce. So I'll be making use of scotch bonnet, Cameroon pepper, garlic, ginger, spring onion, my sweet pepper, bell pepper.